The appeal is by wife.
My lord, they are living separately since last almost 10 years, my lord, now.
मेडिएशन तो फेल हो गया.
My lord, wants to say something.
जी नमस्कार सर. सर मैं दुर्ग भिलाई से आई हूँ और सर मुझे अभी हस्बैंड से मतलब 10,000 ही मिलता है. तो सर अभी मीडिएशन के लिए भी लगाए थे तो उस वक्त भी मतलब मेरा ये था कि मैं उनका भला ही चाह रही थी कि ठीक है हर महीने का जो भी है जैसा है. तो अभी मुझे सर मेरी पिछले लास्ट टाइम मेरी बेटी आई थी साथ में, आप देखे होंगे, वो सर 10th में चली गई है और अभी मुझे फाइनेंशियली बहुत दिक्कत जा रही है सर. क्योंकि जब छोटी थी तो पापा बीएसपी में थे तो उतना पता नहीं चला, पापा रिटायर हो गए हैं और मेरी बच्ची पढ़ने में अच्छी ब्रिलियंट स्टूडेंट है सर, कृष्णा पब्लिक स्कूल भिलाई में पढ़ती है. तो अभी मुझे बहुत ही फाइनेंशियली दिक्कत जा रही है इसलिए. और सर वहाँ मतलब यहाँ मीडिएशन में भी ये बात रखी थे कि मैं मतलब जैसे उन्होंने बोला कि एक अमाउंट रख दीजिए करके, तो जिस तरीके से मुझे मतलब सही लगा मैंने रखा था सर कि कम से कम चलिए 25 लाख ऐसे दे दीजिए करके, कम से कम मेरी बेटी के पढ़ाई करते तक, कॉलेज के लिए, शादी के लिए, जैसे भी हो. तो वो बोलते हैं कि मैं 5 लाख ही दूंगा. और सर उनकी ग्रॉस सैलरी 80,000 पर मंथ जाती है, स्टेनो है एजी उसमें एडवोकेट जनरल ऑफिस में. और उनकी खुद की सर प्रॉपर्टी, जो मेरे जो ससुर हैं सर राइस मिल में मैनेजर पोस्ट से रिटायर हुए हैं, लिएबिलिटी कुछ है नहीं सर. सर एक ब्रदर हैं वो आर्किटेक्ट हैं और 2 सिस्टर है. एक सिस्टर खुद गवर्नमेंट जॉब में अपॉइंटेड है सर और एक सिस्टर जो है उनका हस्बैंड जो है इंजीनियर है सर. और जो भाई है वो यहाँ मतलब बिलासपुर में ही प्राइवेट जॉब में है. और मम्मी पापा हैं.
आप क्या करते हैं?
मैं सर अभी कुछ नहीं हूँ, मैं जॉबलेस हूँ, इसलिए मुझे बहुत दिक्कत जा रही है सर. और मैं कोशिश लगातार जारी है सर मेरी, ऐसा नहीं है. मैं खुद चाह रही हूँ कि मैं अपने पैर पे ही खड़ा हूँ. मैं पीएससी मेंस 2 बार क्लियर कर चुकी हूँ सर, बट इंटरव्यू तक थोड़ा कुछ मार्क्स से मैं पीछे हट जा रही हूँ. तो मेरी खुद कोशिश है, लेकिन अभी सर अर्जेंटली मुझे बहुत मतलब पैसे की दिक्कत जा रही है बच्ची की पढ़ाई के लिए. उसका मंथली सर 6,000 मतलब स्कूल की ट्यूशन फीस और अदर मेडिकल, बहुत सारी दिक्कतें हो रही है सर. इसीलिए मैं यहाँ पे आई हूँ और सर की बदौलत से यहाँ पे खड़ी हूँ, नहीं तो मैं यहाँ कहाँ आ पाती सर. ठीक है सर. जरा से भी सर कोऑपरेट नहीं कर रहे हैं, ये है.
You are against you are against the decree.
My lord. Admittedly, my lord, there are ample quarrel between the parties. Not the respondent has lodged multiple FIRs against the respondent and her brother and her parents, and has secured conviction for non-cognizable offences. They preferred appeal before the learned district judge. District judge has also dismissed the appeal, and conviction was confirmed. And we have preferred a revision petition, which is pending before this honorable court.
That is another issue.
My lord.
That's another issue.
Lordship.
We are on the 24 application
Lordship.
now.
My lord.
What do you say?
Madam, in this case, the respondent husband is working as a steno in my lord office of Advocate General, my lord. He is paying maintenance since my lord 2014. Earlier, the application under section 125 was disposed of on the basis of compromise.
Forget about in 125.
My lord. And presently, my lord, subsequently she was filed an application under section 127, my lord, wherein I have filed the document. Other document also filed before this honorable court, that my lord, she is working as a guest lecturer in NIT Raipur, my lord, and she herself mentioned in her curriculum.
नहीं सर, मैं सर ये जो NIT
that is a part of record, my lord. I am not saying, my lord. My lord, subsequently, my lord, the matter was referred before the mediation center, my lord, where she has demanded 30 lakh rupees. My total saving is not 30 lakh rupees today, my lord. I am ready to pay lump sum amount for wife, my lord, because
How
my
she
lord,
will carry on the daughter?
my lord, I am paying 10,000 rupees for daughter, my lord, 6,000 rupees for daughter and 4,000 for wife. After enhancement, my lord, 127 was allowed on, my lord, 18/11/2022, and there is not a single default by the respondent husband, my lord. My lord, I am ready to pay a lump sum amount for wife, my lord, because, my lord, till date, I have not performed second marriage. The appeal was filed after delay. The daughter is also my daughter also married. तो उसका राइट तो जीवन भर रहेगा, हम उससे डिनाई नहीं कर सकते. वो जो भी हमारी सैलरी रहेगी इन फ्यूचर शी कैन obtain, and I am ready to pay the maintenance for her education, my lord. And I am paying also 10,000 per month. I am paying, my lord. She has filed affidavit before this honorable court application, and wherein she has filed one rent agreement.
The appellant is in person also addressed the court. We would submit that now the daughter who is studying and at class
9th sir, अभी 10th में जाएगी सर, 9th का एग्जाम दे रही है.
9 would be going to 10th. She had to bear huge expenses and she facing financial bottleneck because of her study. But the subject that husband has a sufficient means to survive, is evident from the salary slip and the documents, assets in hold. Therefore, till the appeal is decided, for us to survive the appellant or dignity, she may be granted interim maintenance apart from the amount 10,000 she is getting from under section 127 of CRPC. Per contra, learned counsel for the respondent would submit. He is a teacher, imparting education.
सर मैं टीचर नहीं हूँ.
But the subject that already 10,000 rupees is being paid, out of which 6,000 is for wife and 4,000 for daughter.
6,000 for daughter, 4,000 for wife.
4,000 for wife, 6,000 for daughter.
Right.
Therefore,
there is some other liabilities also.
Huh?
There is some other liabilities also.
And the
Mother, old age mother and father are residing with the
his
present.
husband is also has to look after his old age mother and father. Consequently, mother and father both.
Both.
Consequently, she amount of 10,000 rupees is sufficient. We went through the prima facie, the document filed along with the application under section 24. The salary slip which is filed by the husband shows that his gross salary is 93,184, and after deduction, the net salary is 73,970. Undoubtedly, she is getting an amount of which 10,000 under section 127. The wife and the daughter are getting the total sum of rupees 10,000 under section 127 of CRPC. Having considered the facts of this, the inflation and the quantum of the salary which is being received by the husband, the present appeal, which may take some time on hearing, this cannot be continued for an indefinite. The amount of 10,000 taking into the inflation in the society cannot be considered to be sufficient. Accordingly, we grant another 10,000, amount of which 10,000, apart from the amount of 10,000 which is getting, which the appellant, with the respondent is getting. With the appellant is getting under section 127, 10,000 more, 20,000.